You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Paulie here in the room of unfinished walls. In this video, I share day 2 of working on a job I got. What is that job? Well, the shirt says it all. I'm working barbecue. Yeah, I'm working for Mr. Allen, the owner of Burnt Barrel Barbecue. I am most excited about doing this job. Very appreciative to land this job and working for Mr. Allen. The guy is great. I could trust him with anything, to tell you the truth. That's the great thing about him. And the other thing is I love doing barbecue. I think him and we kind of hit it off very well. Really good guy. But here's some clips from day 2 working a barbecue with him. Reason why I didn't show you anything from day 1 is it was at a gun range and there was like a heaviest coyote competition, you know, after they shoot them. I don't think YouTube would like that. Folks, they're looking at one great smoker, Burnt Barrel Barbecue. I'm working for him now. It's gonna be a good time. His sister just pulled up in the van. And Alan,
good morning, Paul.
This is the job of my dreams. I appreciate it.
You're all in now. You're all in. So the smoker's all yours today.
Yeah. Are you gonna open that up and wrap them up?
Yeah.
He's got some meat products in there.
She's back. I'm gonna see.
And he's going to open up here in a bit. You're looking at the corner of Lapeer and Sawdust Corners. I think that's what it means. Lapeer Road, also known as M24. And you see the barbecue sign. You see the U.S. flag. We're at this gas station. Everything's looking good, especially when you look over here. Is that amazing or what? He's got the setup here. Very cool. Glad to be part of this team. Let's see what Alan has on the menu. Bacon candy, he gave me a couple pieces of that. Sheesh, that is so good. It's all good. Oh, we're open.
No. I live up.
Yeah.
A little more.
Take a look at the seasoned grill grates. Wow. So, he's just wrapping up these ribs. Time to get busy here. He gets them wrapped and that's all that matters.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Huh? Yeah, I smell it. It smells great. Heck, the smoker alone smells great. All right.
So yeah, I'm only doing 4 today.
Yeah. All right, looks like all that dirty smoke is kind of gone. It's lit up and burning pretty good. I'm gonna close this one up. All right. An eventful day, not too busy. Had a great time. Big Alan He's the master and commander. Mary, she's the secretary in charge of all financial operations. Everything's great. Had a great time. Another day at work. First day at work, well, second day actually, is in books. Yeah, I'll try to share footage every time I work. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you all. The best subscribers on YouTube.